Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about more stylish and beautiful crochet cushion cover designs, cushion cover patterns, beautiful designing ideas for you. Beautiful designs, beautiful ideas, beautiful color combination contrasts. So friends, how are you? I'm fine. I hope you shall enjoy the best condition of health. I am back again with most stylish, most beautiful and trendy crochet cushion cover designs. Flower cushion cover designs, decorated with flowers, beaded stones, ribbon, beautiful designs. You can make these very beautiful designs and ideas. If you know crochet work, you can easily make simple and stylish beautiful crochet cushion cover designs. Those ladies who love such type of cushion covers, you can decorate your room, your lounge with your crochet and beautiful cushion covers, matching sofa cover designs, chair cover designs, bedsheet designs, pillow cover designs. You can see my ideas, you can enjoy my videos. If you want to buy these very beautiful crochet cushion cover designs, then I will tell you some website name like AliExpress, eBay.com, etsy.com and Amazon. Give your feedback in the hammer section about my collection. How was the video and how was the designs of beautiful and stylish crochet cushion cover designs, cushion cover ideas, stylish cushion cover designs, new designs, new ideas, latest uploading ideas. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again with beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.